Good morning, good morning, good morning. Vlogmas day 3. Just got to the shop, and as you can tell, we got a little bit of snow. It's cold. It's a little windy. See the flag waving. But we're about to get to this day. Stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Good, everybody just watching Get Beamed. Waiting for my first client to get here. Then we get to the haircut.
What's the usual, bro? Yeah. What's up, bro?
Two cuts back to back, and now the shop's favorite client is in here. What's good?
What's up?
Give him your Instagram.
I don't have one.
You don't got an Instagram? What about your Snapchat?
I don't have one.
You don't got Snapchat?
OnlyFans?
OnlyFans?
What about your Twitter?
I don't have any of that.
But tell me why a Cowboy fan's wearing a Ravens mask,
Hey,
though.
bro, don't hate.
Ah, what happened?
What's going on, bro?
I can't help it. I was born a cowboy.
You just got jumped into the Ravens?
No, somebody gave me the mask, so I wore it.
Nah, you can't do that.
Yeah, I can. That's why I wear any mask. Man.
Bro, you gonna do your team?
Well, I didn't have a mask in the trap, so I had to get one there.
We got our barber men doing a non-surgical hair replacement. This Vlogmas is gonna be lit. Vlogmas day 3. We in effect. We in here. Got the gang color coordinated with the
You
tan.
really do. Color coordinated.
Black and gold, tan, black and gold, or what, I don't know what color that is. Well, we got the black and gold too on the shirt.
Oh, you got everybody rapping today.
I know it.
Where's your shirt at?
But stay tuned. We'll let y'all see how this turns out. We did do the non-surgical hair replacement before. I put a picture up so you can see it. And we also did his son too, and came out super, super wavy. But go check out the video. I'll leave a card on the top so you can go check that one out. But stay tuned. Here we go. We got the piece on there. Once we get this cut, it's gonna blend in like super nice. My boy Terrence is a weekly. Shout out to all the clients that are weekly clients. But on a side note, Sergio, let's get a little backstory, bro. So you grew up half your life in Clovis, half your life in Amarillo, and half your life in Farwell?
And a quarter of it in Albuquerque.
And a quarter in Albuquerque. All right, Sergio. So introduce yourself to the camera, to the channel.
My name is Sergio Perez,
How old are you, bro?
26 years old.
How long you been cutting, man?
6 years.
6 years. Where'd you go to school at?
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
And what school was it over there?
Albuquerque Barber College.
And what's your social?
What's the last one?
Oh man, so 6 years, 6 years. How many shops you worked at? Are you a shop hopper?
No, I've only worked at two.
That's
two
what's
barber
up, bro. I know somebody who's been to like 6 different shops in the past few years. Not pointing anybody out.
Not trying to say that. They're
But-
not in here either.
Sergio's been with us at the shop for what, 2 months? 3 months. How you like it?
I love it.
You love it? So do you see yourself here long term in Amarillo?
Yeah.
That's what's up, bro. Well, we're glad to have you part of the team. We're gonna be exposing you more on the channel this month. But everybody, say what's up to Sergio in the comments. And you guys need to comment if X should get a channel or not. He's gonna get a channel. It's a lot of editing, but we're gonna get it in. But we're gonna see Terrence in a few days. He gonna get that Dougie fresh.
Saturday.
Saturday. What's today?
Thursday.
Thursday.
That's good, bro.
Oh, you wavy.
Push it a little down.
It's gonna look good, bro. Let's say bye to the camera, bro.
Bye.
It's good. It's good, bro. You're on camera. You're gonna be on the channel.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. There's the cut. Make sure to go check out my man Snapchat Premium.
Yes, sir. Exclusive content.
Exclusive.
All day, every day.
So what we're working with today. Got the Mexican Wolverine in the chair. How much you taking off the top?
Real short, like more than half of this.
More than half?
Yeah.
Okay. And still a comb over?
Yeah.
All right. We'll get it taken care of. So here we are. Boy just had a baby, but you better have another one today. Super, super blurry. How you feel?
Like $1 million, bro.
So before we close out the vlog today, just want to say shout out to this guy right here. He is the reason I stay with a freshie. He told me that he would never get cut by me because I look like a bum. So shout out to him. So now your boy stays with that fresh fade.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Show what you can do.
Oh.
Show what you can do with your own hair. Oh yeah.
Hey, tell him to like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Say,
like.
say if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button.
That's too much work for me.
Tell them to go follow Arlo Construction.
Go follow what?
Arlo Construction.
Arlo, A-R-L-O.
Best construction in the Panhandle, or Texas, or the world.
Yeah. Just say the panhandle of the world, Craig. But we are not afraid to try anything new, so we don't turn down anything. We can take $100 job, or we can take $100,000 remodel. Just like right now.
No.
Job. Little job right here.
Oh, they're working.
Right here.
Working.
Big or small, I'll take it.
Were you a cheerleader in high school? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. What's good, everybody? So I'll do it for day 3 of Vlogmas. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Stay tuned for more vlogging throughout the month. We're just barely getting started. But until next time, God bless.